Hi, this is Kimberly with Max Reviews, and today I'm reviewing the Wahl haircut and beard trimmers. They claim to be the #1 clipper brand. They sure are popular though. So we'll take a look at the box with the clippers and the actual clippers themselves, which are cordless, which I'll talk about in a moment. And I'm going to pan over here to the case that it comes in and all the attachments. It's a little messy, I apologize, but I've been using it. I've been using the clippers, scissors, attachments, and if you do want to use a cord, there it is. Full disclosure, I did buy this for my husband because he complained about going to the barber for trims and just, paying a lot for just a little trim. Well, he said he could do it himself, and he rarely used it. So I started grooming my dog when my dog shears no longer worked. And I have to tell you, these worked fabulously. In fact, I'm just getting the trimmers ready to give him a little grooming this afternoon. So I would recommend this because it's cordless, it does the job, and it's a good price. The Wahl Haircut and Beard Trimmers. I highly recommend it.